back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my DIY ring lights that I used to use to light up my makeup videos. So here it is here. There are actually two lights. So the circle one in the front and the rectangle one at the back. So let me show you. I'll just detach the cable. So the frame is actually a metal wreath that you use for Christmas decoration. So that's the metal base. And then in between the metal rings, I inserted this polystyrene foam. And then after that, I covered it up with aluminium foil. See, that's the aluminium foil. And then after that, I put the LED lights on top of the aluminium foil. And to reinforce the LED lights, I put some sellotape going all around this wreath. And that's the baking paper from the supermarket. So that's how I made this one. With the other one, this is the square one. This is actually a frame from a mirror. So I took out the mirror and then I stuck on the LED strips. So there's the strip there. And then after that, I covered it up with some tissue paper. So there's actually just tissue paper around it. And this is just some polystyrene box from packaging. Show you the side. So I made little hole about 1 centimeter wide. That's the width of this frame, about 1 or 1.5 centimeters. So that goes inside this polystyrene foam. And then I added these 3 little pieces here, just to make sure that the frame stays put. And it's just got some packaging tape all around this to keep it steady. And that's the little connection. I'm going to connect this connection. This one. And then this is the other one. Since these are actually US plug, I have to use an adapter. And then let's plug it in. That's the circle one, and this is the square one. So yeah, that was the ring light that I used to use for my makeup videos. So it took me quite a while to figure it out, how to put it all together. But in the end, I just had to buy the proper ring light, you know, which you can see on another video. Okay. So what do you guys think about that? I'm keeping it for something. I think it's really, really cool. And I'm proud of that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this, I don't know what you call this video, DIY result video, whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.